this road with fire in my hands. Every sin I've sown now stains this land. There ain't no preacher calling my name. There ain't no savior to take my blame. Oh Lord, have mercy on my grave. I've run too long, too far to save. Let the rain fall down, wash my sins away. Oh Lord, have mercy on my grave. I hear the wind, it speaks in tongues. It tells me time has come undone. The shadow waits where the gallows stand, with the rope in his hands and blood on the sand. Oh Lord, have mercy on my grave. I've run too long, too far to save. Let the rain fall down, wash my sins away. Oh Lord, have mercy on my grave. The dust will settle, the sky burns red. I'll lay my soul where the lost men tread. If heaven waits, it don't wait for me. Just the howling wind and an empty dream. Oh Lord, have mercy on my grave. I've run too long, too far to save. Let the rain fall down, wash my sins away. Oh Lord, have mercy on my grave.
This dance is called Mercy on My Grave, WDM25, choreographed by Tim Johnson. It's a 60 count, 1 wall, advanced level, rolling 8 count, line dance. There's 1 tag and 1 restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Walk, walk. Cross walk, facing 10-30, recover. Half turn right, stepping forward, quarter turn right, stepping to side, quarter turn right, rock back, forward, cross, square up to 12 o'clock, side and sway body to left, side, cross, side, behind with a swing. Section 2, behind, 1/8 turn left, stepping forward, step forward, pivot half turn left, right foot, cross, side rock, recover, left foot, cross, side rock, recover, forward with a swing, cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, quarter turn left, stepping to side. Section 3, 1/8 turn left, forward, forward, 1/8 turn right forward with a sweep, weave, cross, side, behind. Step right foot to right side and sway body to right, recover and sway body to left, together, side and sway to left, side, behind, quarter turn right, stepping forward, step forward. Section 4, step forward, pivot half turn left, forward rock to right diagonal, recover, right foot, sailor step, behind, quarter turn right, stepping forward, step left foot forward and make a half turn right, keep weight on your left foot, 3 round, right, left, right. Section 5, forward with a sweep, cross, side, back with a sweep, behind, side, cross, 1/8 turn right, forward rock, recover, ball, back with a hitch, coaster step. Section 6, forward, forward, step forward, pivot half turn right, quarter turn left, forward, together, quarter turn left, stepping back, together, quarter turn left, stepping to side, quarter turn left, stepping together, forward rock, 3 round, right, left, right. Section 7, quarter turn left, step left foot to the left side and sway to left, sway to right. 3/8 turn left, stepping forward with a sweep, cross, side, together, cross, side, back with a sweep, behind, side, forward. Section 8, step forward, pivot half turn right, forward, touch. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 7, 8 and 1. 2 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Last count. There is one tag in this dance. At the end of wall 1, facing front wall, do this 4 count. Rocking chair. Forward rock, recover, back rock, recover. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is one restart in this dance. On wall 3, you dance up to 16 count, then restart the dance. Wall 3, facing front wall, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 7, 8 and 1, 2 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and These are 16 count. Then restart the dance. 1. Last whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.